So as you can probably see, the print room is definitely in a bit of disrepair. The printers have not been running in a while. I've been more focused on trying to finish prints rather than printing more stuff. But today we are going to give this guy a little bit of TLC. First, we're going to empty out the dehumidifier tank. Now the dehumidifier can get back to work, getting that back down to a nice and dry 35. Now let's get all this trash out of here. Much better. Next thing to do is level everything. Now we let them do their thing. Now we get all of our Z offsets locked in. Now we got everybody printing and we're ready to rock.